Place the water collection box under the front panel of the machine. After plugged in, the machine enters standby mode. The power indicator will be on. Press the ice making button to start the ice making procedure. Press it again to stop the procedure. The default setting of the machine is to make large ice. You can switch between large and small ice cubes by pressing the corresponding button. When the ice basket is full, the ice full indicator will light up. Remove the ice cubes and the machine will automatically restart. Press the water dispense button to dispense cold water. Press once again to end the water dispensing process. Press the ice dispense button. The ice cubes falls from the ice outlet. Press once again to end the ice dispensing process. When the machine runs out of water, the added water indicator will light up. You can remove the water tank to fill it with water. After refilling, the unit will take a short period of time before it automatically resumes ice making. To drain the water, pull out the drain plug as shown. After the water has been completely drained, reinsert the drain plug.